One thing that we are absolutely fanatical about at Atlas Boatworks is access. Access to your systems, access to the console, access to anything that you would need to maintain or use the boat. And so we designed this front console hatch to open. Usually will rest on a cooler seat that's here. When you're in and out, you can put bags, you can put towels, you can put whatever you need in there. But then when it's time to do any kind of maintenance, you need to wire something, you need to check on anything, the entire door comes out, giving you full, complete access to the console. There's no more sticking your head in and trying to fit one arm in. It just is all right here. We've also done a huge hatch to get to all your fuel lines, your fuel shut off, all the information on the fuel tank to check on things. Uh, no more 8-inch pie plates. It's an 18 by 20 inch hatch that gives you all the access you could ever want or need.